Hello traders, welcome to my channel, Sam Trading Strategies. In today's video, I'm sharing one of my favorite pocket option trading strategies. Let's get started. Many of you have requested a strategy that doesn't use any indicators and is based purely on price action. This video is for you. Today's strategy relies entirely on price action. No indicators needed. Risk warning. Trading involves significant financial risks. Past performance does not guarantee future results. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always trade responsibly and consult with a financial advisor if needed. Got it? Great! Let's get started. The strategy rules. Candle time frame and trade expiry. Set the candle time frame to 5 minutes. Use a trade expiry of 1 minute. How it works. When a 5-minute candle starts to form, closely observe the first 1 minute. If the first 1 minute candle is bullish, take a buy trade with a 1 minute expiry. If the first 1 minute candle is bearish, take a sell trade with a 1 minute expiry. Key points: take only one trade per 5-minute candle. If the trade goes against your position, stay tuned because I'll explain how to handle this scenario later in the video. Best trading times. European and New York sessions are ideal due to higher market volume. During medium or high-impact news events, avoid trading 30 minutes before and 45 minutes after the event. Combining this strategy with candlestick patterns and trends can improve your results. Now that you know the rules, let's see this strategy in action with live trades. Watch carefully to understand how to apply it step by step. Quick reminder, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any strategies in the future. All right, traders, let's get started. Now, the first minute of the 5-minute candle is about to end. So far, this candle has been bullish, which means taking a buy trade is the right decision based on our strategy. Another important observation is that the market is in an uptrend, and the last 3 candles have also been bullish. Trading in the direction of the trend aligns well with this strategy. Reminder: always start by testing this strategy on a demo account. It's the safest way to practice and refine your skills before risking real money. Let's wait and see the result of this trade. We've won this trade. This setup worked exactly as planned, resulting in a profitable outcome. That's the power of following a proven strategy. Now let's stay patient and wait for the next perfect trade setup. Success in trading isn't about rushing. It's about sticking to the rules and waiting for the right opportunities to come to you. Here, the first minute of the 5-minute candle is about to end. So far, this candle has been bullish, making a buy trade the right decision based on our strategy. Looking at the chart, the market is currently in an uptrend, and the last 4 candles have also been bullish. Trading with the trend increases the probability of success. Pro tip: always keep an eye on the payout percentage of the currency pair you're trading. Focus on high payout currencies to maximize your profits on successful trades. This simple habit can make a big difference in your overall trading results. All right, the trade is live. Let's wait patiently for the result and see how this one plays out. We have lost this trade, and this is what happens in binary trading. No strategy works 100% because the market situation is not favorable all the time. At such times, it's important to stay calm and keep emotions under control. Avoid making impulsive decisions and stick to the strategy. In this situation, we'll apply our second strategy. Since the market is currently in an uptrend, we will wait for the candle to complete 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, if the candle closes bullish, we will take a buy trade in the 4th minute. If the candle closes bearish, we will not take the trade. All right, after 3 minutes, the candle has closed bullish. Based on our second strategy, it's appropriate to take a buy trade here since we're trading with the trend. Everything looks good so far. But let me remind you, binary trading is high risk. It's crucial to understand the mechanics, payouts, and risks involved before diving in. Golden rules for trade management. Only invest a small percentage of your total capital in a single trade. 1 to 2% is ideal. Never trade with money you can't afford to lose. Prioritize your financial safety at all times. The trade is live now. Let's stay patient and see how this one turns out. All right, traders, now is a good time to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you found this strategy helpful. Your support helps me create more valuable content for you. Let's continue. Here, the first minute of the 5-minute candle is about to end. So far, this candle has been bullish, making a buy trade the right decision based on our strategy. Looking at the chart, the market is currently in an uptrend, and the last 2 candles have also been bullish. Trading with the trend increases the probability of success. Before trading with real money, always start with a demo account. It's the best way to practice, test your strategy, and build confidence without any risk. Before we see how this trade plays out, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know which trading strategies or topics you'd like me to cover next. I'm here to create. Let's stay patient and see how this one turns out. All right, traders, that's it for today. Now is the perfect time to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you found this strategy helpful. Your support helps me create more valuable content for you. See you in the next video, and I wish you the best of luck in your trading journey. Goodbye, and happy trading.